10 smart money tactics. Guys, it is almost 2025. The world of personal finance is evolving. It is high time we started getting smarter with our money. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 10 smart money tactics that I have researched for myself personally in 2025. These smart money tactics would help you save more, would help you invest wisely, and would help you build financial security and financial freedom. The first smart money tactics is to automate your savings. Automating your savings removes the temptation to keep spending. Maximize high yield savings accounts. Ensure that the account has no monthly payment or any minimum balance requirement. Invest in dividend stocks. Look for dividend stocks with dividend yields of between 3 to 5% and strong fundamentals. 4. Diversify your income stream. Choose passive income options like online course creation, book publishing, or even affiliate marketing. 5. Use AI tools to manage investments. Combine AI insights and human advice for well-rounded investment decisions. 6. Pay off high interest debts. So, you can download apps like Tally to help you manage and pay off credit card debts. Leverage tax advantage accounts. Maximize your employer's 401k match. It's free money after all. Start a micro investing habit. Use auto investing features to stay consistent. Like for me personally, I just downloaded the Robinhood app and I have decided to be investing £5 every week on Robinhood. Prioritize experiences over things. So don't spend money on things you don't really need, but prioritize experience, personal development, and continuous learning. You can also do a no spend challenge. You can give yourself 2 to 3 days for a no spend challenge. Finally, build financial literacy, which is why we are all here today. If possible, dedicate just 5 to 10 minutes learning every day about your finances and how to make them better. And I bet you this would make a whole lot of difference. So, there you have it. My simple smart money tactics for 2025. Which of these tactics have you been employing already? Or which of them are you happy to start in 2025? Please let me know in the comments. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification, and let us win together. Please, if you have not liked this video, like, comment, and share with as much as possible.